Hi, I'm Ambika and this is my second workshop with Pallavi ma'am. It was a great experience. It was very insightful and it provided a lot of self-help techniques which I'm surely going to use on myself and on others around me. And I can't wait for the next 2 levels.
Hi, my name is Deepa. This is my first workshop with Pallavi ma'am. It was a very insightful workshop. The concepts, she explained it in such a manner, it's absolutely clear, and I can't wait for the next 2 levels of the workshop. Thank you.
Hi, good evening. My name is Jaya Saidev. I am myself a practicing psychotherapist from last 5 to 4 years. I have attended Miss Pallavi workshop for the first time and I am completely satisfied with the workshop because the way she has approached all the queries, questions, and she has made organized the complete level of CBT into a very simple and a lucid manner so that everybody could relate to it with different situations and day-to-day life, and how like the myths I had somewhere or the things which I was lacking in that I already knew, but how to build upon over it. So it also came across as a session wherein we all have shared our experiences and very patiently, that is the most absolute part about Pallavi, that very patiently she has taken up all the queries and answered all of us in a really a therapist way. We really acted like a children, and she has really made us calm and settle with our all queries. So I'm really looking forward for next level of different workshops with Ms. Pallavi. Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, I'm Gargi and I'm very glad that I enrolled myself for this workshop. The moment I spoke to Pallavi, I was convinced that I want to go through her hands, as she has those qualities which make a learner approach her. The distance of 250 kilometers from Chandigarh to Delhi actually seemed like just 25 kilometers to me because of Pallavi's clarity, calmness and crisp answers. She is very good with the subject and she ignited that fire in me to think, sleep, eat CBT, and last night I was dreaming of that I'm in the workshop and I'm little late also. So her concepts are very clear, she's very convincing and she's a very encouraging trainer. And all thanks to her. Thanks.
So, hi, I'm Swati and this is the second time I'm attending Pallavi ma'am's workshop, and as always it's brilliant, it's very insightful. I'm getting to learn a lot of things and definitely I'll be coming back for another one. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shreya and I'm a psychology student. And I am so glad that I came for the workshop today, and because I learned so much that will help me and my future patients, and hopefully I'll be there for the next 2 levels as well. Thank you.
Attending first workshop of Pallavi ma'am, and it was very insightful, and the way she explains the concept, that was amazing, and I'm looking forward to attend the other upcoming levels of CBT. Thank you.
I'm Rudhima and it's my first workshop with Pallavi ma'am. It was too good that I got on really good knowledge about CBT and all. Thanks Pallavi ma'am, and looking forward to the 2 more levels. Thank you ma'am.
Hi, I'm Jagriti. This is my first workshop with Pallavi ma'am, and my main mindset for the workshops is that would be not fruitful and it's very expensive, but this was very fruitful and I'm thankful to Pallavi ma'am.
Hi, I'm Rupika. I attended CBT workshop. This is my second workshop and it was very insightful and can't wait for next 2 levels of CBT, level 1 and 2. Thank you.
I am Sanya Jain. So I recently attended cognitive behavioral therapy workshop by Pallavi ma'am. As always, her workshops are well organized. I really enjoyed the workshop. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ayushi Rai. It's my first workshop with Pallavi ma'am, and I learned a lot throughout the session, throughout the workshop, and it will surely help me a lot, and I'm looking forward for the next 2 levels and surely attend it.